This is part 2 of my camper build. The ceiling is in, along with new lights. The smaller lights are actually on a dimmer switch. This is actually a view of the roof. You can see the AC ducts and the wiring. And these are pics of the new paneling for the walls. I plan on painting the walls and the ceiling, just like I did in the bedroom and the bathroom. You're gonna see the bedroom and bathroom later on in this video. I upgraded it to 50 amp. This is the new furnace. And these are the before pics of the bathroom and bedroom. You can see the cheap plastic sink. I'm going to keep the cabinets in the bedroom. In these pics you can see the tear down of the bathroom. And you can see where the sink used to be. Here you can see I took out most of the paneling and replaced it with new. There's new ceiling in the bathroom and new lights. Also new floor. The old toilet is gone. This is the new washer dryer closet that sits next to the toilet. There's the washer dryer in the closet. This is the first fitting of the granite countertop. These are the new lights in the bedroom. And I also painted the cabinets and painted the walls. It's hard to see, but I antiqued the cabinet doors and laid down new carpet and cleaned and painted the bed frame. This is the new closet in the bathroom. The walls are painted in the bathroom too. And this is the smaller right hand closet. This is the washer dryer closet painted. Here you can see some trim work done to the washer dryer closet door and on the bottom of the shower, along with a new porcelain foot flush toilet. Here are the new doors that I made for the bathroom. They're made out of pine. These are some big mirrored doors. Here are the new doors, all stained up. The countertop looks good. The medicine cabinet that I made to match the doors. And the mirrors in the doors. I hope to have part 3 up shortly. That will be of the living room and the kitchen. Thanks for watching.